most. Cool Tech Tools was a project that I created, not just for my students but for teachers, where I listed a list of sources for either students or teachers to use. And it's actually more extensive if you go to Resources Technology, and then you go to Parent Resources or Cool Tech Tools. Any of these have them as well. And I also did it in Spanish. So this is basically what School Loop looked like. We had links to various resources according to each of the subject areas. And so the Google Docs, again, was a place where students were able to do work both collaboratively and individually, and whatever the case was, I asked them to share all their files with me so I could view them myself. And so the last thing I wanted to show was the student digital portfolios. And so these digital portfolios, every student was able to create one, and then they created a link to it. And let's see, we have Mary Ellen, which is a really good, outstanding student. She basically wrote links to all the documents she made throughout the year. And then she was asked to write some self-reflections for each of the subject areas. I also had another student who was very, very extensive in her digital portfolio. And we also did a rubric at the end of the year where students gave assessments of what they saw in their digital portfolio. So that's what she showed up in the top. So this student obviously did really extensive work in making sure she listed everything. She basically became a paperless student. Most of her homework assignments were done online. And then here she had very extensive reflections about what she learned during 6th grade. So she was very good. And then students were able to comment on it at the bottom as well. And that's pretty much it. Hope you've enjoyed the video that accompanied that presentation. Thank you.